Whoa.
Qatar Drone Race.
Welcome to the first Qatar Drone Race, featuring 5 PSG superstars in an epic battle against the clock. Each player will have to race their drone along a preset course at one of 5 amazing locations in Qatar. They'll have to safely navigate their way around the course, attempting to finish within the allocated time. Well, they've had the training, let's see what they can do. First up, it's Marquinhos taking on the lush Mangroves, an open flight path with lots of wildlife to look out for. Next, it's Mbappé, who's got the magnificent Pearl, a really testing course with plenty of sharp turns and low bridges. Verratti has the Katara cultural village, starting off inside the incredible amphitheatre before piloting the traditional narrow streets. Donnaruma, the MENA district, a maze of winding lanes down at the old Doha port. Lastly, it's Mendes, who has the stunning inland sea. Nuno will have to sweep past the dune bashers before the time's up. First to take off, it's Marquinhos. There he goes, at the lush Mangroves. You can actually spot flamingos here in the winter. Next up, it's Mbappé at the Pearl. This is a stunning location where Venetian charm meets Arabic chic.
Ah là là, j'essaie de passer entre les trucs là.
Allez, on y va. Allez, mon petit.
What a location for our third drone in the impressive Katara cultural village. Good control there on the first part of the fly-through. Donnaruma, player 4. Bit of a shaky start there. Lovely colours of the buildings against the beautiful sky. And finally, it's Mendes.
Vamos. Tem que subir mais.
Nuno's moving well over those incredible sand dunes.
Quase.
And back to the Pearl.
Il est là, monte un peu, doucement. Voilà.
Can he get it to go under the bridge?
Ça va trop vite là, ça va trop vite.
That was close. Racing over the rooftops, now in Qatar's preeminent multicultural venue. Oh, this is going to be tricky.
Go.
Good control.
Go, yes.
And he's through. Shave some time off there. Fantastic flying.
Pra frente, mais pra frente.
The magical inland sea where the desert meets the clear blue sea.
Isso, pra frente. Mais, isso.
Oh, he needs to hurry now.
Ah là, j'essaie de passer entre les trucs là. Ah, tu crois que je peux pas?
He's happy with that. Good control. And he's through. Verratti closing in. And he's through.
Là, regarde. Oh! Ah.
Relieved to be across the line. Mendes to finish now. Over the last tune. He can't believe it. And lastly, Donnaruma is about to cross the line.
Oh, yes.
Ah ouais, quand je suis passé dans The Pearl, là on est passé sous des ponts, c'était incroyable, vraiment.
Atravessar entre as árvores foi difícil, mas tive medo, mas consegui.
L'architecture, c'était incroyable, c'était vraiment cool de passer entre os irmãos.
Eu não acredito que existe água no deserto. Foi incrível e foi muito bom pela experiência.
Quando sono passato davanti alla piazza storica di Doha è stato magnifico, bellissimo.